how to order food in English, easy and friendly. Hi there. Welcome back to Let's Talk Easy. I'm so happy you're here today. Imagine this. You're about to enter a restaurant. Maybe it's your favorite place, or maybe it's somewhere new. You feel a little nervous, right? That's totally normal. When you walk in, often there is a host or a waiter near the door. They might smile and say, "Hello, table for how many?" Or, "Hi, do you have a reservation?" Now, what does that mean? Table for how many means how many people are in your group. So if you are alone, you say, "Table for one, please." If you are with your family or friends, you can say, "Table for two," "Table for three," or even "Table for five, please." If they ask, "Do you have a reservation?" that means, did you book a table before coming? You can say, "No, just walk in." Or, "Yes, I have a reservation under the name, your name." If you don't have a reservation, don't worry. Many people come without booking. If you need to wait, they might say, "There will be a 10-minute wait." That means you should wait a little bit before sitting. You can respond, "That's fine, thank you." Or, "I can wait." Once the table is ready, they will say, "Your table is ready." Or simply call your name. "Anna, your table is ready." When you walk to your table, feel free to say, "Thank you." It's polite and nice. Sometimes the waiter will ask, "Would you like to sit inside or outside?" You can say, "Inside, please." Or, "Outside, thank you." Now you're sitting down. You feel a little more comfortable. The next step, the menu. Now that you're comfortably seated and have your menu in front of you, let's talk about how to read the menu and order food. Menus can be a little tricky sometimes. There are many dishes, and you might not know all the words. That's okay. Just take your time. First, look for the section titles. Starters or appetizers, small dishes before the main meal. Main courses or entrees, the big dishes. Desserts, sweet treats at the end. Drinks, coffee, tea, juice, and more. If you see a word you don't know, try to guess from the picture or ask the waiter. It's always okay to ask questions. Here are some simple questions you can use. What do you recommend? Is this dish spicy? Does this come with rice or bread? Is this vegetarian? Does it have nuts or dairy, if you have allergies? When you're ready to order, the waiter might ask, "Are you ready to order?" Or, "What would you like?" You can say, "I'll have the grilled chicken, please." "Can I get the vegetable soup?" "I'd like the fish with rice." If you want to ask for something special, say, "Can I have no onions, please? Could you make it less spicy? Can I get extra sauce?" Remember to say please and thank you. It makes a big difference. If you want to order drinks, here are some examples. "Can I have a glass of water?" "I'd like a coffee, please." "Do you have fresh orange juice?" Don't worry if you don't say it perfectly. Just try your best. Everyone appreciates polite effort. Now that you've ordered food, you might want to ask some questions or make some requests. Here are some helpful sentences. What's in the dish name? Asking about ingredients. Is it spicy? Is this dish vegetarian? Do you have gluten-free options? Can I have a glass of water, please? If you need something extra during your meal, you can say, "Can I have extra napkins, please? Could you bring me some ketchup? Can I get more bread? Could I have some lemon, please? Can I have a straw?" If you want to get the waiter's attention politely, "Excuse me," always remember to say please and thank you. These small words make a big difference. Now, let's talk about ordering drinks. You can say, "Can I have a glass of water, please?" "I'd like a cup of coffee. Do you have fresh orange juice? Can I get iced tea? I'd like a soda, please. Do you have milk?" If you want to ask questions about drinks, is the juice fresh? Is this coffee hot or iced? Does the tea have sugar? Can I have it without ice? When you're done eating and ready to pay, here's what to say. "Can I get the bill, please? Can I have the check, please?" If you want to pay by card, do you accept cards? "Can I pay by card?" If you pay cash, say, "Here you go." If you want to leave a tip, keep the change. When you leave, be polite and say, "Thank you very much. The food was delicious. Have a great day." Thanks. See you next time. Bye for now.